All right, so this is an interesting one. This is a Blizzard Legacy Collection trading card box. 8 cards per pack, 7 packs per box. I found these, oddly enough, at a yard sale. So I picked them up, figured this is something cool. These were, I think, from 23, maybe? We'll see. Let's go ahead and open these guys up, see what's in here. There we go. There's our packs. Let's see if they've got a date on them somewhere. Yeah, 2023, right there. So move these over to the side. Let's go ahead and open these guys up. Now these have specific, like some pretty nice parallels apparently. I don't know what to look for in these. I'm not familiar with them, but already I see StarCraft on the back. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So we've got Sombra. I think that's an Overwatch thing. And then Hanzo, Roadhog, and then, I remember this game. I actually have this game, Blackthorn. That's awesome. And it's a red kind of parallel there. So that's cool. That's a personal keeper for me. So after that, Khadgar, I guess. And then Sunstrider. And then Vartok Sarfang. And then here's one more from StarCraft, the Queen of Blades. So let's go ahead and keep going here. That's actually cool. That Blackthorn one's awesome. I like that a lot. I had it for, I still have it for the 32X and the Super Nintendo. So, get some of these. Yep. So Storm Rage. Let's see. That's from Hearthstone. And another Hearthstone, Windrunner. After that, Lunara from Heroes of the Storm. Oh my gosh, a Diablo card. The Herodric Cube. Oh, it's a piece of the cube. So you actually punch it out of this and create the cube. Oh my gosh, I remember the Herodric Cube from Diablo. We've got a Warcraft, Lane Wern, Artanis from StarCraft, Senjin from Warcraft, and then lastly, in this, a Lurker from StarCraft. Let's go ahead and keep going. Oh, come on, please. All right, so Bronzebeard from Warcraft. We've got a Hearthstone, Whisperwind, Bronzebeard again. And this one is from Heroes of the Storm. We've got an Overwatch one. Another Hearthstone, Khadgar. We saw that earlier. Lane Worth, Archimonde, and then Windrunner from Warcraft. Still going through packs. This is pack number 4, I believe. No, 3. Yeah, 4. This is pack 4. Golly, they do not want to come out of that last part. And that's okay. Brute force and awkwardness will get them out. So we've got Rexar from Hearthstone, Heroes of the Storm, the Sunstrider, the Sigma from Overwatch. What have we got here? The Archimonde from Warcraft, Diablo, Cydia. Oh, the Spider Lady. Oh, yeah. StarCraft, there's a Marine, Blade Fist from Warcraft. And then lastly in this pack, Mal'Ganis from Warcraft. So let's keep going here. Got more cards in this pack, or in this box, I should say. So let's see what's left in here. Come on. So, Orphea, Raynor, Murky, and then we've got Farah. What have we got here? Illidan from Heroes of the Hearthstone. The Dark Wanderer from Diablo. I like that. That's a cool one. Ner'zhul from Warcraft, and then lastly, Deathwing from Warcraft. We've got 2 packs left. So let's see what's in these last 2 packs, if there's anything exciting. All right, so starting off, Tyrael from Heroes of the Storm. You see him in also Diablo. Medivh from Hearthstone. And then we've got Sanguinar from Hearthstone. Heroes of the Storm, the Brightwing. Windrunner from Warcraft. Oh, there's Tyrael from Diablo. A Stalker from StarCraft. And then lastly, Daneth Trollbane from Warcraft. So that means we're on our last pack. I'm already thrilled with the Blackthorn card, so whatever happens out of this is whatever happens out of this at this point to me. So we've got a Deathwing, and then May of Shadow Song. There's a Reaper from Overwatch. And then there's Heroes of the Storm. What is that? Kira. Oh, there's Diablo from Diablo. A Zealot from StarCraft. Leoric from Diablo. And then Deckard Cain from Diablo. Oh, man. Those are bringing back memories. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. That was the Blizzard Legacy Collection trading card box. Pretty cool. I didn't see any special inserts or anything, but score Blizzard Legacy Collection base set Molten Core parallel cards, which I'm guessing are those red ones. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff. Bye.